Hello everybody, today we've got a beautiful car of the week for you. This 2006 W221 S-Class in long wheelbase and very rare Designo Mystic Red paint with 19-inch AMG wheels, xenon headlights, panoramic sunroof and all the luxuries you could expect from an S-Class. Now this car was worth 250,000 plus brand new, and now for under 27,000 with a 2-year warranty. This is unbelievable value and absolute luxury for the price you're paying. Perfect car for the limo business, or if you just need a bit of extra space for the family, or you want to treat yourself with absolute luxury. Let's have a look at it just quickly. There's those 19-inch AMG wheels, simply stunning. This car is very similar to the one we had 2 weeks ago, except it's 1/4 of the price and obviously a little bit older, but it's absolutely stunning with this Mystic Red Designo paint. Let's have a look at those headlights. These are bi-xenon headlights. As you can see, in overall very good condition, only a few marks here and there, and that red is just stunning, very rare and unique. There's the 3-pointed star, which we all love, and those headlights, wheels, just makes the car look really nice. It does have the panoramic sunroof, which I'll show you just now. It is open, and it does span all the way to the back of the cabin and the roof, as you can see there. I'll show you a bit more of that later on the inside. Let's have a look at the car just around quickly. Look at that, the Peter Lennox logo in the back. This beautiful car really doesn't get better than this. This does have the staggered wheels, so as you can see, they fill out those big S-Class guards quite well, and they look simply amazing. Makes the car look a lot tougher. Now this is the S500, which is pretty much one of the top of the range unless you go AMG, with the car being very quick. This is a 5.5 second car, 0 to 100, and average of 12 liters per 100 combined, going by the Red Book. So very good mileage out of a very large sedan and a V8. So this is pretty nice, economical and very powerful. Let's have a look at the boot. Now very spacious again. Perfect car for your limo business, or if you want a bit of luxury in your life. Let's have a look, close that. The other feature that I'll show you in a minute, this does have self-closing doors. A very nice feature when you've got quite heavy doors. Let's have a look at that now. So we'll open up the rear and I'll show you the inside in a minute. And now we'll close the door, and you can see it closes itself. We'll try that again. So open the door, close it, and you can see it locks into place. That's for front and back. Now very few marks on this car, in pretty good condition considering it is about 13 or so years old. For the price that it's selling now, you really won't get much better than this. Very good condition. We have checked the car and it's immaculate. Alright, so let's step inside this S500 2006 model. So as you can see, when you open up the door, you got all the controls there, heated and cooled seats, fully electric and memory, fine wood interior. You do have the wooden leather steering wheel, amazing dash design, and that panoramic sunroof, simply amazing. Let's have a look and step inside. Okay. Wow, this is pure luxury. Very good condition, as you can see. The leather, unmarked, even for, a car that's more than 10 years old. Has done over 200,000, but in excellent condition. Let's look at that steering wheel. Beautiful, sporty leather and wood. Very luxurious. There's that LCD tacho, which is just turned off, and sat-nav screen in the middle. Analog clock. And look at that interior design. This is simply beautiful. Fine wood throughout the dash. Stitched leather. And simply stunning. Let's start her up and see what some of the features are. Interior lights up. You got sat-nav, full climate control, Bluetooth. This does have a rear camera, which I'll show you just quickly here, with guidance control. Okay, now let's have a look at these seats. As you can see here, they are cooled, 3 levels of cooling, heated, same amount of levels. Now, fully electric seats, as you would expect in a Mercedes. Automatic bi-xenon headlights. This does obviously have cruise control, pedal shift, so you can change the gears if you want to be a bit sporty, that they're hidden behind the steering wheel here. Command system, and that panoramic sunroof, which you can see just here and is amazing. I'll go in the back in just a bit and show you the extra space for the rear passengers, this being a long wheelbase S-Class. This car does have the command system with navigation, Bluetooth, and even a digital TV, so I'll show you that function now. If you go to video here using the command system dial, well, there you go, straight away we're watching digital TV in your car. That's pretty nice, and a feature you don't get on many models, so very nice. I'll show you the lumbar adjustment for the seats. So electronic lumbar adjustment for front passenger, and let's have a look. Driver's seat 2. And yeah, I can feel that working straight away. Very nice. Now, this is quite an advanced system even for a 2006 model. It does have locator lighting, exterior convenience lighting, automatic locking for those doors I showed you before, can be turned on and off, easy entry, steering adjustment, ambient lighting, blind retracted position. A lot of different features here. Okay, so that's the front, and let's have a look at the rear of the car. This being the long wheelbase edition, you do get a lot more room for the back seat passengers, making these very popular limos for the business. Now, this one does have electronic rear seats, as I'll show you now. So you can bring them forward, back, adjust them, which is a feature that's not found on many cars, and obviously expected on an S-Class with the long wheelbase edition. There's that panoramic sunroof, which can be controlled from the rear too. And let's jump inside. I'm 6'1", and there is more than enough space in here for me, as you can see. And the rear seat is adjusted for my position, which I do like to have back quite a bit. So this is a very luxurious executive car, I guess. Now, you can control the blinds for the rear with that button there. And yes, you'll see the rear blind coming up and the rear blind coming down. Very nice feature. And let's have a look at that panoramic sunroof, which you can see at the back here. Let's close the blind on that. So you can adjust your comfort levels to your desired settings. And we've got rear ventilation and rear seat adjustment. Very nice, very luxurious, beautiful car for this price. I'll show you how the panoramic roof works. So you can open up the blinds, as you can see, rear blind too, and then open up the roof all the way up. For under 27 grand with a 2-year warranty, this Designo Mystic Red finish, AMG wheels, pano sunroof, xenon headlights, AMG 19-inch wheels, really won't get much better than this. Come and see it today at Peter Lennox Automotive in Thomastown.